2021 is almost upon us, folks, and today we're looking at some fantastic vans, or I should say Vantastic. These are a couple of vans for Vantastic for the tournament in 2021, and this is Jolt Freak for the EH Team, and this is sponsored by White Knuckle Motoring Speed Shop. Check this little ripper out. I love the colour. It actually has some weight in it. There is a weight limit of 100 grams, and they've done a great custom job on this. Look how neat and tidy that is underneath. Let's have a look at the wheel spins. Not too bad. I love the minis. They do go well on the track. Vantastic is a custom tournament racing in 2021 for those that don't know, and it's all to do with vans, custom vans. Let's look into this little ripper next. This one is called the Van Shop, and yet again it's sponsored by White Knuckle Motoring Speed Shop. You guys have done an exceptional job with the paintwork, the wheels. It is very tidy, and I can't wait to let these rip on Mount Western Raceway. Look how clean that is underneath, ladies and gentlemen. If you would like to take part in Vantastic in 2021, you better get your custom mods happening. Entries close the end of February or thereabouts, depending on all the things that are happening in the world at the moment. We know the postal service is very slow. So, a big thank you to the EH Team with these fantastic cars, the Van Shop and Jolt Freak. I can't wait to see you guys on the trap and rip up Vantastic in 2021. Merry Christmas and catch you later.